Tourism is a number of activities, especially those related to the entry, stay, and movement of foreigners in and out of a city, region, or country. Borobudur Temple is a favorite destination for both local and foreign tourists. Borobudur Temple is the largest Buddhist temple in the world. The temple, which was built during the Sailendra dynasty between 80 and 700 until 40 and 800, has become one of Indonesia's tourist icons. Visitors are taken to see the splendor of this temple. Located in Magelang, Regency Borobudur Temple tourism also holds philosophical meaning about life. In addition to the splendor of the temple, tourists can also visit interesting places that are not far from the location of the temple. These places include museum, hill, and market. Not far from the Borobudur Temple tour, you can also find two Buddhist temples, namely Mendut Temple and Pawan Temple. These three temples form the route for the Vaisak Day festival, which is held every year during the full moon in April or May. Borobudur Temple can be reached from Magelang city center as far as 17 km and Yogyakarta about 14 km. This temple was built as a place of Buddhist worship and pilgrimage. This place contained instructions of humans to keep away from the lusts of the world and toward enlightenment and wisdom according to Buddha. Borobudur Temple is the largest Buddhist temple in the world and has the largest Buddhist monument in the world. Borobudur also has most complete and largest collection of Buddhist relief in the world. The temple has 4 and 5,000 Buddha statues with meditation posture and 6 different head positions throughout the temple. Borobudur was built in mandala style that reflect the universe in Buddhist belief. The structure is a box shape with 4 entrances and a circular center point. The Borobudur Temple building consists of 3 zones that depict its cycle of human life. Karimun Jawa consists of 27 pristine tropical islands scattered along the Java Sea. Karimun Jawa, Archipelago, is one of the districts under the Regency of Central Java Province. Some of the islands are formed by coral reefs and covered with a layer of sand. This island hides various potential charms of natural beauty, mountains, wayside, beach, and underwater world. Karimun Jawa National Park is located about 45 nautical miles from Jepara and 80 nautical miles from Semarang. Karimun Jawa, a tourist destination in Central Java, offers unparalleled natural beauty with stunning white sand beach, crystal clear sea water, and fascinating underwater life. Karimun Jawa is a paradise for nature enthusiasts and beach lovers. Karimun Jawa is known for its captivating natural charm. The islands scattered around Karimun Jawa offer mesmerizing views, such as Tanjung Gelam Beach, which is famous for its fine white sand and clear seawater. In addition, Menjangan Kecil Island offers an incredible underwater panorama with beautiful coral reef and diverse marine life. According to local legend, Karimun Jawa was discovered by Sunan Nyamplungan. At that time, Sunan Muria ordered Amin Hasan to an island that located Khamun or Fuzi. From the top of Mount Muria, to develop his religious knowledge because it lacked Karimun. The island was eventually named Karimun, Jawa until now. Amir Hasan was later known as Sunan Nyamplungan because he planted nyamplung plants there, which turned out to be useful as a windbreaker. Indonesia's tourism resources are rich and diverse, involving nature, culture, and history. Its management should prioritize sustainable concept to preserve the environment and cultural heritage while ensuring economic benefit for local communities. Tourists that take full account of its current and future economic, social, and environmental impact, addressing the needs of visitors, the industry, the environment, and host communities. As the Minister of Tourist Regulation, concerning guidance from sustainable tourist destination, there are four main pillars in tourist development. These pillars are also the criteria that have been formulated by the Global Sustainable Tourism Council, which include management of sustainable tourism destination or sustainably management, economic utilization for local communities or social economy, cultural preservation for the community and visitors or culture, environmental preservation or environment. In building sustainable tourism, it is necessary to change the mindset and awareness of all stakeholders. This is an important key to strengthening and laying down the concept of sustainable tourism development. With good planning and effective management, tourism can have a positive impact on the economy, socio-culture, and the environment. The opposite can also happen if development planning is prepared carelessly and does not pay attention to the principles of sustainable development. Indonesia's tourism resources are rich and diverse, involving nature, culture, and history. Its management should build priorities sustainable concept to preserve the environment and cultural heritage while ensuring economic benefits for local communities. Tourism that takes full account of its current and future economic, social, and environmental impact, addressing the needs of visitors, the industry, the environment, and host communities. As in the Minister of Tourism Regulation number 14 of 2016 concerning guidelines for sustainable tourism destination, there are four main pillars in tourism development. These pillars are also the criteria that have been formulated by the Global Sustainable Tourist Council, which include management of sustainable tourism destination or sustainably management, economic utilization for local communities or social economy, culture preservation of the community and visitors or culture, environmental preservation or environment. In building sustainable tourism, it is necessary to change the mindset and awareness of all stakeholders. This is an important key to strengthening and laying down the concept of sustainable tourism development. In building sustainable tourism, it is necessary to change the mindset and awareness of all stakeholders. This is an important key to strengthening and laying down the concept of sustainable tourism development. With good planning and effective management, tourism can have a positive impact on the economy, social culture, and the environment. The opposite can also happen if development planning is prepared carelessly and doesn't pay attention to the principle of sustainable development.